Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing both camera and recorder files into Premiere and laying them on separate tracks. This gives you visual and audible references. Once done, trim leading silence so waveforms align roughly. This reduces distraction. Make sure waveform view is visible and zoom in to about a 1-second window so peaks and transients show clearly. You're doing this to create a reliable visual map. Visuals guide quick syncing and prevent accidental drift when you later nudge clips frame by frame. Now focus on a distinct transient, clap, slate, or a hard consonant, so you have a single, repeatable point. That's essential for precision. Tap the M key to drop markers on both clips, or select both and use merge clips or synchronize by audio to let Premiere cross-correlate waveforms automatically. If auto-sync is close but not perfect, nudge one clip by single frames or use the slip tool to align peaks exactly. You do this because small timing errors are audible even if invisible. To finish, set the recorder track as your primary audio and mute, or tuck the camera audio to avoid comb filtering. You keep the camera track for reference in case you need it. Make sure to scan the entire clip, checking lip movement and dialogue at several moments so you catch any drift. If you hear drift or phasing, verify both files share the same frame rate and sample rate, and if needed, resample or relock clips using timecode or manual adjustment. This prevents timing errors later in the edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.